Threading may sound like a new hair removal technique to you, but Iranians have been threading since those early days when Persian Empire ruled. They just called it band abru. Abru meaning eyebrow, and band for the Persian word for thread. The ancient art of hair removal is actually one of the quickest and least painful. And all you need is a piece of cotton thread. But how does it work? The threader will loop a thin piece of thread around her fingers and thumb, placing the thread at the hair level, twisting it so that the thread grabs the hair like a mini lasso. Once the hair is caught, she'll give a quick tug, and there you go. It's been plucked from the root. Need proof threading works? Just look at the defined eyebrows of Elizabeth Hurley and Reese Witherspoon, who are reportedly fans of the technique. But why go for threading as opposed to tweezing? Well, with threading, you can remove a whole row of hair at once, giving you a nice straight line. And unlike waxing, you're only removing hair. Sure, threading's great for shaping small patches of hair, like your eyebrows, or removing stragglers from your upper lip. But if you're looking to remove a large amount of hair from, say, your cheeks or hands, it can be painful. Because remember, you're not only pulling hair from the root, you're also pulling a good amount out at once. And if you happen to have extremely sensitive skin or use certain acne medications, threading's your best bet. Threading won't give you the redness or sore feeling of waxing or something more severe like laser hair removal. Not to mention, it's one of the most sanitary ways to remove pesky little hairs since no chemicals are involved and the skin is never broken. Just be sure you go to a trained professional so you can avoid risks like pinching or cutting the skin and ingrown hairs. And avoid threading over zits because it can cause them to rupture. Results typically last up to 6 weeks, and with only 1/16 of an inch of hair needed for the thread, you can go as often as you need. And here's a quick tip before your first threading session. Use a warm compress to relax the hair follicle for an easier and less painful removal. To learn about different hair removal procedures and techniques, check out other videos in this series.